Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to upload your project to GitHub using VS Code, so let's get started. First, let's open the project folder you want to upload. Click on File, Open Folder and select your project folder. Now, your project is ready in VS Code. Before we do anything, let's check if Git is installed on your computer. To open the terminal in VS Code, go to View and select Terminal. Now, type this command and press Enter. If you see a version number like this, that means Git is installed. But if you see an error like command not found, it means Git is not installed. To install Git, simply go to git-sem.com and download the latest version. Install it, then try the command again. Once Git is installed, we're ready for the next step. Now, let's initialize Git in our project folder. Now, type this command and press Enter. This creates a hidden .git folder in your project where Git tracks changes. Before using Git, we need to tell it who we are by setting up our name and email. In the VS Code terminal, run these commands one by one. Replace your name with your GitHub username and your email with the email linked to your GitHub account. Now Git knows who is making changes. Now, let's create the repository on GitHub where we'll upload our project. First, open your browser and go to github.com. Next, sign into your GitHub account. Then, click the plus icon at the top right corner and select New Repository. Now, enter any repository name you want. After that, choose public, visible to everyone, or private, only you can see it. Finally, scroll down and click Create Repository to finish. Then, copy the repository's HTTPS URL. Now, go back to the VS Code terminal and type this command. Then, paste your repository link and press Enter. To verify the remote URL, type this command and press Enter. Now, let's add our project files to Git. To stage all files, run this command. This tells Git to track all files in your project. Now, press Enter. Then, run this command to save your changes. Next, rename your branch to main by running this command. Finally, upload your code to GitHub by running this command. Now, let's check if our project was uploaded successfully. First, go back to GitHub, then refresh the page. As you can see, our project has been successfully uploaded, and all your project files are now on GitHub. That's it. You've successfully uploaded your project to GitHub using VS Code. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.